Uber, Friday, they got invited. They got the big invite to the dance. They got the invite to the S&P 500, ladies and gentlemen. And so Uber's coming to an S&P 500 ETF near you. It's coming to an S&P 500 index fund near you. We all know the last time a major stock, a major brand name, popular stock got invited to the dance of the S&P 500 was Tesla a couple of years back. And after that occurred, first and foremost, you had a lot of rampant speculation of Tesla. But after that occurred, a lot of ETF, a lot of index funds, a lot of just pre-programmed buys coming in. Can Uber reignite a little bit of momentum here? Going to be interesting. What's fascinating about Uber is this: parabolic, overextended, don't want to touch it here. When it's sniff it here, I don't care about the news. I hate deep overextended situations. Got to dial it in. But what is here at 60? What is here at 60? There's nothing on the daily chart. You come out to the weekly chart. Yep. A lot of chop here at 60. That was the target for Uber. You got an overhead between 60 and 61. A pattern here on Uber would be very compelling. And that pattern would have to take a little bit of time because it's pretty stretched against the 9 EMA. But keep an eye on 61, right where the wick is today. That's where the overhead is from the past as well on Uber. So it wouldn't be surprising to see Uber get dialed in, but they get the invite to the dance. And when they did get the invite to the dance, Uber also got an upgrade from Oppenheimer. Oppenheimer upgrades their price target from 65 up to 75. I would say I couldn't disagree with that. You dial in a breakout here against that 60-61 level. You come out to longer term. There's nothing above that. 75 would be a legitimate target in my estimation. Even if you just said, give me that next significant whole number. That's probably what Oppenheimer did, quite frankly.
What a fantastic year for Uber.
Uber's had a fantastic year. Ever since they were declared the winner against Lyft, it's been
Just
fantastic.
a fantastic year. And
Yeah.
once again, when things get going, they tend to keep going. Like,
Momentum begets momentum. You sound like
and so like we're short term over. I've I've defended Uber numerous times over the years.
Oh yeah,
been a big fan. They've turned profitable. S&P inclusion now. Obviously too stretched to touch, but secondary patterns are in play. Should be on a watch list for everyone.
Agreed 100%, especially if you can get that dialed in. A high base here, letting that 90 EMA would catch up. That looks really, really good on a multiple time frame situation on Uber.